Well, we were working on the base for the wishing well, and that's been completed. And before we put the wishing well on, we wanted to at least make sure that the septic field was working okay. And of course, we had a leaky pipe, so Thomas had to dig a big hole here, and way down here on the elbow, right down in here, that was cracked right there by the elbow. And so in order to get to the elbow, all four sides of that T, that cross, had to be cut, and new elbow, all new pipes. There's the slip couplers to make that repair. So that's been done. We're going to fill it in, put some sand down there, put some gravel, because there's a little hole in that elbow for back pressure, I guess. And that'll take care of the septic field. Of course, we got to fill it in again with all the dirt, throw a little seed on it, and that should do us for a little while. So for $26 worth of PVC pipe, we're making this repair, rather than probably about $600-700 to pay a contractor to come in. Now, of course, it costs me probably more than that in beers and cigarettes, but that's where we are. Another wonderful job by T-Bone, Mr. Thomas. Of course, supervision is key to all this stuff.